Hi guys, today I am at Tamarind Tree Hotel. It is a good hotel and I am here for lunch. So come join me as I go for lunch. Fine, my name is Leilani.
Yes.
This is my first time at Tamarind.
Okay, sure. You're most welcome to Tamarind.
Thank
This
you.
is your first time?
Yes.
So this is our lobby area. And then we have the sitting area, which is right here to your right. So in case you'd like to just chill, you can always chill here.
Thank you.
Then we have a coffee shop around here. And then I believe you've come for lunch?
Yes.
So lunch will be served straight on to your right at our Tamambo Restaurant. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you. It's lunchtime, so now come follow me to my table. Oh, they have such a nice restaurant. We are now at the table. Let us go get our meal.
Hold your plates. So there's white rice here. You want white rice?
No, I want.
There's beef.
No,
There's biryani.
no.
There's fries.
Yes.
More?
Yes. Yeah, that's enough.
Ketchup
Yeah. On the side.
on the side.
Yes. Yeah, that's enough.
That's okay.
Yes.
No?
Sausage?
No?
No.
There's fish.
Yeah.
One.
Yeah. Only.
You'll still come back, eh? Is this sauce?
No.
The fish. There's this. There's this.
No.
There's this.
Is there any
No
sausage?
salad here.
No.
No salad? Are you sure?
Yes. Is there any sausage?
No sausage, but let me get you one, okay?
Okay.
What are you having?
I'm having chips, fish, and sausage. The sausage is going to come.
Okay.
Oh, where's the salt? Which one is the salt?
Is here. This is the salt and this is pepper. You want some juice, number? Some juice?
Yes. Apple.
Apple juice.
Oh my god, it's so yummy. having my dessert. I've not tried the cake, by the way, and I don't know how it's going to taste. So yeah. Whew. First tries. Wish me luck. Yum, yum. Wow, this is the best. Here in Tamarind Tree Hotel, they have a nice, beautiful and warm swimming pool, and just beside this beautiful swimming pool is a garden for you to relax. Right beside the amazing lobby, there is a gift shop. So, follow me to the gift shop. There are animals, necklaces, and bags. Oh, and there are also clothes. And let's see how well you guys know Kiswahili. What does jambo mean? It means hi. What does rafiki mean? Friend. Nzuri, good. Asante, thank you. Wanyama, animals. Sijui, I do not know. Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Leilani, and yours?
My name is Douglas. So today I'm going to show you one of our rooms. Are you excited about it?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. This way.
What room are we going to?
Room number 315.
315.
Yes.
How many rooms are in this hotel?
160.
What?
160 rooms.
160.
Yes.
But how? But how comes you said that there are 160 rooms,
Yes.
but in total there are 300. But you said we are going to room 315.
Yes. So we go to room 315 because they are always numbered according to the floor they are in.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yes. It's this way. What? It's like you need a card for everything.
Yep.
Shabuya, bro. Mamma mia! Jeez. Wait, we also get this? Wow. It's a bracelet. We also get this. Can I keep it?
Yes, you take that.
Oh. this is a bracelet of hope. Oh.
This is our room. So in the room there are so many different things. There's a TV over here, which you can as well access the food menu on the TV. And then also, as you can see here, there's a bed, a king size bed, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and then also we have a bracelet. When you stay in the room, you're able to be given that bracelet for free. But if you want more, you can always order them and you'll be given according to the name that you want. Okay? Mm-hmm.
Can you have breakfast in bed?
Yes, sure. Yes.
And dinner in bed?
Yes. All you need to do is call the restaurant, tell them what you need, and they'll bring it up to your room. Yes. And then when also you're in the room, you need any services, you just dial 0 from the phone there, and from the reception, they're able to help you. Yeah. Yeah, this is the bathroom. It's separated from the toilet. Here's the bathroom.
Yes.
You have the shower gel, the shampoo.
The shower gel and the shampoo.
Yes. Then here is the toilet.
Toilet.
Yes.
I actually thought that there would be a small bathtub.
No, the rooms that have bathtubs, they're those that don't have bathtubs. Yes.
And this is the
Yes. So Leilani, this room faces the swimming pool, yeah, and also part of the garden. So there are rooms that face the swimming pool, those rooms that face the garden, and the rooms that face the airport. That's Wilson. Yes. So as you can see, it's beautiful, right? Yeah. It's a notebook that you can write anything. Maybe you are having important things that you have on a call or a meeting, you can just write them on that. That's a room directory that tells you what is inside the room. Yes. 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 So it tells you everything that you need to know about the room, the checkout time, the check-in time. Yes. So Leilani, you've seen our room?
Yes.
How is it?
It was good.
Good? Do you want to stay with us?
Yes.
Anytime soon?
Yes.
When?
My mom allows.
When she allows?
I don't know.
Okay. So another thing that is interesting about our hotel, about staying with us in Tamarind Tree, is its proximity to the two different amenities out here. For instance, there's Wilson Airport just adjacent here. So maybe you're coming from Mara, Mombasa, or any other part of Kenya, you can as well land here, and it's a short distance to the hotel. Also, we have the Nairobi National Park, which is very close to the hotel, where you can go and enjoy your day. Maybe after you have had a long day, you just go and relax there, see the animals and everything. And we also have malls that are nearby. We have the Galleria Mall, we have the Freedom Heights Mall that is nearby, that you can go and shop, do anything that you want there. Yeah, but that's a little bit far from here. But for Galleria and Freedom Heights, they're nearby. Yes. Okay. You're welcome.
Okay guys, hey guys, this is the end of the video and everything in the video was perfect. The food was perfect, the room tour was perfect, and so please come visit Tamarind Tree Hotel. So guys, this is the end of the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel.